Hello everyone. This question has been asked in GATE 2023 and this question belongs to power system protection and is one of the important question has been asked based on the directional overcurrent relay. The question is that for the three bus power system shown in the figure, the trip signals to the circuit breakers B1 to B9 are provided by overcurrent relays R1 to R9 respectively. Some of which have directional properties also. The necessary condition for the system to be protected for short circuit fault at any part of the system between bus 1 and the RL loads with isolation of minimum portion of the network using minimum number of directional relay is. And the four options are given and this is single choice, means you have to select only one answer. So we are having four options given and the figure belongs to this problem is given in this side. So if we denote the directional and non-directional relays over the circuit, we can see that only R3 and R4 will be directional overcurrent relays and other ones are non-directional overcurrent relays. First we understand why this directional relays we need. Directional relays be required to just add selectivity for relay operation such that we can maintain the power continuity in the rest of the lines. So by adding directional overcurrent relays, we are giving the selectivity for relay operation such that which is essential to maintain power continuity. We can understand from the simple example that suppose fault occurs at line 1, then the circuit breaker 3 will face the opposite current will just see the opposite current, so correspondingly the relay 3 will operate, and while and this relay 4 will not operate. So other so the so the power in the rest of the line will remain as it is and this line 1 will isolated. On the other hand, if there is fault in this line 2, then this R4 will trip and this R3 will not trip, and this just maintain the power continuity in the rest of the lines and the rest of the system just remain intact. Now I have noted down three important points to choose the directional relay and non-directional relay in the circuit. So the first point is that directional relay will be given at the receiving end of parallel feeders. Directional relay will be given at the receiving end of parallel feeders. So we are having these parallel feeders line 1 and line 2. So directional relay will be given at the receiving end. So R3 and R4 will be the directional relays. And the second point is that at the source end all are non-directional overcurrent relays. So we are having this generator and the relays just just beside this generator side, source side, all are non-directional overcurrent relays. Therefore, R1, R2, and R9 will be non-directional overcurrent relays. And the last point, third point, is that radial feeders always had non-directional overcurrent relays. And these have not. And one point you can also add here is that there should be not any active sources. So this one is radial feeder line 3. So corresponding to line 3 already all the relays having non-directional overcurrent relays. So R5, R7 and R8 will be non-directional overcurrent relays, and this R6 will also non-directional overcurrent relay because this is passive load. It cannot reverse the current. Therefore, we can choose our answer according to this notation. The first option is that R3 and R4 are directional overcurrent relays blocking fault towards bus 2. This is also correct. This will be also correct if it is multiple choice question. If we have to select multiple answer for this question. But let us see the other options also. B option is R3 and R4 are directional overcurrent relays blocking fault towards bus 2 and R7 is directional overcurrent relay blocking fault towards bus 3. So R7 will be non-directional overcurrent relay. So this will be incorrect. B option will be incorrect. C option is that R3 and R4 are directional overcurrent relays blocking faults towards line 1 and line 2 R7 is directional overcurrent relay, so this is also incorrect. Last option is that R3 and R4 are directional overcurrent relays. Blocking falls towards line 1 and line 2 respectively. So this is more specific and clear. So D option will be correct for this problem. Thank you everyone.